So it's finished updating the firmware, and it tells me my current version. So basically I just going to install the solar panel on top of the camera now, and that should complete the solar panel installation. But then I'll have to mount the camera, which the bracket is already ready for mounting. But basically that's the bracket that connects the uh, basically the solar panel to the camera. And anyway, let's go ahead with this next step. Basically I can see the view of the newly added camera over here. It's called front of home. So anyway, it's ready now for actual installation of the solar panel. So the cables provided, this was just a short charging cable provided, USB to USB-C. The USB-C gets connected to the camera just for the initial charging. It didn't actually take 8 hours to charge. It took maybe a couple of hours, maybe 3 hours or so. Anyway, that's the uh, solar panel. This is a large extension cord provided um, to connect the basically it's got this connector in the back, USB-C connector, but the female side to the male side USB-C. This is an extension cable in case you don't mount your solar panel near the camera, you point it at a long distance. This cable serves to connect the two if they are at a longer distance, but we don't need this. We are going to use the cable at the back of the solar panel since it'll be close to the camera. So that's what we're gonna do. So first things first, this bracket is gonna actually be installed on top of the camera using these two supplied screws. So first things first, I'm gonna open this bracket. It's a threaded bracket like this. Basically I'm gonna open this, and inside there'll be like a inside this has got a like a ball connector which tightens, and this is adjustable angle. You can adjust the angle of the solar panel. It adjusts using this adapter like thing. This also comes off and it clicks in place. So for now we're going to remove that too, and basically we're going to install this using these two screws. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's hard for me to do while holding the camera, so I'm going to install it and then continue this video. These are the two screws I'll use, and basically this will connect here, and I'll install it using the screws and my handy screwdriver here with the Phillips head. So I'll continue this video after that.